The Zip HydroTap Touch-Free Wave is a new way to deliver pure-tasting, boiling, chilled or sparkling water. The touch-free wave incorporates smart infrared sensors for activation of your drinking water. The touch-free sensors are located on the head of the tap. The boiling sensor is located on the left of the tap, and the chilled is located on the right. The sparkling water sensor is indicated by the sparkling symbol on the tap face, just below touch-free writing. The lock sensor is located at the rear of the tap head. Here's how to use the touch-free wave. For chilled water, hold your hand straight and close to the chilled sensor. When your hand is in range, the LED indicator will turn blue. Chilled water will now be dispensing from the tap for up to 15 seconds. For sparkling water, hold your hand straight and close to the tap face. Once your hand is in range, the LED indicator will turn white and sparkling water will now be dispensing from the tap for up to 15 seconds. For boiling water, you need to use Zip's twin sensor activation technology. Both the boiling and the lock sensors need to be activated. Hold your left hand close to the boiling sensor, then cup your fingers behind the tap to also activate the lock sensor. The LED indicator will turn red and boiling water will dispense from the touch-free wave. If at any time the LED indicator flashes red, this indicates your hand is too close to one of the sensors on the tap. Remove your hand and try again. Bottle fill mode is available for chilled and sparkling water. For this, we use our twin sensor activation technology. To activate, cup your hand to cover both sensors. For chilled water, the blue LED will slowly pulse to show bottle fill mode has been activated. For sparkling, the white LED will slowly pulse to show the bottle fill mode has been activated. To stop the water flow on the bottle fill mode, pause your hand above any of the sensors for a second and the flow will stop. As this is a touch-free tap, cleaning shouldn't be required as regularly. However, if cleaning is required, do not use harsh chemical cleaning sprays on the tap. The use of these sprays will deteriorate the surface of the tap. The use of a damp cloth to clean the tap is recommended. However, the tap needs to be dried straight after cleaning. You can also use antibacterial alcohol wipes on the tap surface. Once the antibacterial wipe has been used on the tap surface, it must be dried off with a clean microfiber cloth. Failing to clean off the antibacterial liquid could discolour and fade the finish of the tap. While you're cleaning the tap top, the red LED will flash. There you have it, the brilliant new HydroTap Touch-Free Wave.